Have you choked on your food like this? Here's why. It's because food or liquid accidentally enters your windpipe instead of your food pipe. Your body has a built-in defense system, the epiglottis, a tiny flap that closes your windpipe when you swallow. But if you eat too fast, talk while chewing, or have weak swallowing muscles, things can go down the wrong pipe. This happens more with thin liquids, and if it happens a lot, it could be a sign of dysphagia, a swallowing disorder. So next time, chew slow, sip carefully, and let your body do its thing. Stay safe and happy eating. Follow for more healthy facts.